We all dream of freedom. Freedom from the daily grind, freedom from financial worries, freedom to pursue our passions. Imagine a life where money is no longer a source of stress, but a tool to design your ideal life. This is the promise of passive income, the ability to earn without trading your precious time. Passive income is not about getting rich quick. It's about building long-term wealth and security for you and your loved ones. It's about waking up every morning excited for the day, not tied down by the demands of a 9-to-5. It's about living on your terms. In today's rapidly changing world, traditional paths to financial freedom often fall short. Job security is fleeting, and the cost of living continues to rise. We need a new approach, a way to create sustainable wealth that works as hard as we do. This is where Onpassive comes in, offering a revolutionary solution to unlock your financial potential and transform your life. Before we dive into this subject, please help me out and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot. Also, please take a moment to like and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive is not just another online business opportunity. It's a movement. A global community of like-minded individuals committed to achieving financial freedom together. At its core, Onpassive is a platform powered by artificial intelligence and designed to help you build a successful online business. Here's the key. Onpassive does the heavy lifting for you. Its sophisticated AI technology identifies and capitalizes on emerging trends, automates your online marketing efforts, and even recruits new members to your team. Imagine having a team of tireless virtual assistants working around the clock to grow your business, even while you sleep. That's the power of Onpassive's AI-driven system. It's like having a 24/7 business partner dedicated to your success. But Onpassive is more than just technology. It's about people helping people. When you join Onpassive, you become part of a supportive community dedicated to your success. You'll have access to training, resources, and mentors who will guide you every step of the way. Imagine waking up each morning, not to an alarm clock, but to notifications on your phone. Notifications that tell you your passive income streams have grown overnight. This is the transformative power of passive income. It's about creating a life of abundance and choice. With passive income, your earning potential is no longer limited by the hours in a day. You can earn while you sleep, while you travel, while you spend precious time with loved ones. It's about breaking free from the limitations of a traditional job and designing a life you love. Imagine being able to pursue your passions, whether it's traveling the world, volunteering for a cause you care about, or simply spending more quality time with family. Passive income gives you the financial freedom to live life on your terms, to chase your dreams without limitations. The benefits of passive income extend far beyond financial security. It's about reducing stress and anxiety, improving your health and well-being, and living a longer, happier life. It's about experiencing true freedom. Section 4. Onpassive. Your personalized path to prosperity. Onpassive makes achieving passive income easier than ever before. You don't need to be a tech expert or a marketing guru. Onpassive provides all the tools, resources, and support you need to succeed. The platform offers a variety of digital products and services that are in high demand, and its AI-powered system automatically promotes these products to a global audience. Your job is simple. Share your unique referral link with others and watch your business grow. As more people join your team through your referral link, your passive income streams multiply. It's a system designed to reward you for your efforts and the efforts of your team. Onpassive is not about overnight riches. It's about building a sustainable long-term income stream that can provide for you and your family for years to come. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating a legacy of abundance. Section 5. A future filled with possibilities. The future is full of possibilities with Onpassive. As AI technology continues to advance, so too will Onpassive's ability to generate wealth for its members. The company is constantly innovating and developing new ways to make passive income more accessible to everyone. Imagine a world where financial freedom is the norm, not the exception. A world where people are empowered to pursue their passions, contribute to their communities, and live life on their terms. This is the future that Onpassive is working to create. By joining Onpassive, you're not just investing in your own financial future, you're becoming part of a movement that is changing the world. You're joining a community of like-minded individuals who believe in the power of passive income to create a brighter future for all. The possibilities are limitless with Onpassive. The only question is, are you ready to unlock your financial potential and join the movement? Section 6. Take control of your tomorrow. The time for dreaming is over. The time for action is now. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back from achieving your full potential. Onpassive provides you with the tools, the resources, and the support you need to succeed. Take the first step towards financial freedom today. Reach out to the person who shared this message with you and learn more about how Onpassive can help you achieve your dreams. The future is yours to create. Remember, success is not a matter of luck, it's a matter of choice. Choose to invest in yourself, choose to join a community of winners, choose Onpassive and unlock your financial destiny. The time is now. For more information about Onpassive and how to join, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.